Primetime news this evening. Defiant referendum. Region awaits Venezuela's decision following ICJ's ruling in Guyana Essequibo controversy. What of preventative measures? COP28 discusses more financing for vulnerable countries. And later, Westmoreland community calls for SOE as spate of crime and violence continues.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com and also to our viewers in the Cayman Islands on TVJ International. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Coming up in the financial week, international experts had a word of advice to local businesses. Do not fear technology. They're attending the Tech Beach Retreat in Montego Bay.
Okay, and Jordan Fort is here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan?
Well, of course, Herman, all the talk is about the ultra-rich Mute Mile, which takes place at Caymanas Park tomorrow. Of course, the richest purse in the English-speaking Caribbean. We'll have all the details on that in a Primetime Sports Friday.
I wonder if Jordan is going there with his Gucci suit and... But so we have to ask, what will the weather be like for this major sporting event, Romain?
Sunny and windy, that's what we have in the forecast for most of the area tomorrow. We're expecting generally sunny and windy conditions, especially across southern parishes. A few clouds could be rolling into the western portion of the island, but we're not seeing any shower activity until next week, Monday.
All right. But there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the newscast. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your views on the Guyana-Venezuela dispute?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.